Welcome back. So in this video, I'll guide you how many ways, okay? How many ways to connect Ubuntu or Linux machine. How many ways? To connect Ubuntu or Linux machine. Suppose this is the Ubuntu machine is created here. Okay. And this is you. This is you. So how many ways you will connect this machine? How many ways you will connect this machine? There are multiple ways. So the first method is select the server, right click, connect, EC2 instance connect. There is a method called EC2 instance connect. The one method we called as EC2 instance connect. This is one method is there. So how to connect? Go to the instance section, select instance, right click, connect, EC2 instance. By default, username, everything will be ready. Click connect. So you will be directly connecting via browser. Connecting via browser. Such a way you will be connecting. Successfully connected. This is one method. This is the easiest method. Another method is PuTTY SSH. PuTTY SSH. The second method is PuTTY or SSH. PuTTY or PuTTY both are same. The pronunciation is okay, fine. You can go to putty.org website, download PuTTY and scroll down putty.exe. You have AMD processor, you can take the first one. If it's a, Intel processor, if AMD processor, you can select the second one. So mine is Intel processors. I already downloaded the PuTTY. So once you download the PuTTY, this is the icon will be like this. Click open. This is the way the console will be. So what you need to do, select the server, take the public IP because you're connecting from outside of the data center. So make sure you have to take the public IP only and put the public IP here, port number 22. That's by default same. And under the connection, SSH is there. Here authentication, under the authentication, we have a credentials. So here private key file authentication is required. So whatever the key file, we downloaded, key pair. Okay. The key pair I need to browse from the downloads. See, this is a file I downloaded, right? At the time of instance creation, and open it and click open. And this is the security window. It will ask, click accept. Then this login option, it will ask. Login as means we need a username. So username you can easily identify. Select the machine, right click, and here is a username is Ubuntu. So Ubuntu is a word. It says everything is a lower cases. Ubuntu, and hit enter. With the key pair, successfully get connected. This is one more method. So here the console font size will be very small. You can increase, right click here in the top ribbon and go to change settings. Here we have a appearance in the font settings, and we can increase the font size based on your requirement. This is second method, putty. Next, third method. Mobile stem. This is also one tool. You can go to internet, type mobile stem download. This is a mobile stem website. Here is a free software is available. Click on download. This is a portable uninstaller. Click on installer. Once you click here, it will download, and you need to double click and install it. Everything is a default steps. Suppose I downloaded here in my PC. Actually, I already downloaded. I already installed it. So open this folder, right click, extract all, extract like this. So now this is a file, right click, open. This is a screen you'll get. Accept license, next, default option, install. So now Mobextream is successfully installed. And how do you open it? How to connect? Go to start, type MOBA, open this icon. It is open like this. Now click on session SSH and enter the public IP address of the system. Same like putty. Go to instances, copy the public IP, username, click specify, type Ubuntu, advanced SSH, use private key file, and private key file you need to browse here from the download. And click OK. Accept license. Successfully connected. So compare with the putty, this console is a very good, and color combinations, look and feel is very simple and very user friendly. So mostly real-time environment, we preferably use the Mobaxter. No problem. Companies are using it. And this is one step. And another method, the fourth method is WinSCP. So the WinSCP also it's a tool. WinSCP download for Windows. Download this. And right click and install. There's also a default options is coming here. Accept, full upgrade, recommended, install. So click finish. So now I need to open WinSCP tool. This is a tool, it will come. And you need to connect the new server. So what is IP address of the system? This is the IP address and port number, username, Ubuntu, in advanced section. Authentication, private key file is there. Same key pair file you need to select. And click login. Accept. Now it's successfully connected. So left side desktop is your local machine. Right side is, it is a remote Ubuntu server screen. See, as I told you yesterday, we have root directory, bin, boot, dev, etc, home. These all directories are there. Suppose Ubuntu is a user, right? We logged in the home, Ubuntu is there. In Ubuntu, nothing is there because if it's a fresh machine, nothing was configured here. So this is a one more method we use to connect Linux machines. So total how many methods we connected? So totally 4 methods we learned today. So any questions, please? No questions? Thank you.